In 1774, George Washington left Martha and Mount Vernon and arrived at the First Continental Congress, quietly resolute, supporting colonial unity and resistance, taking his first public step toward leading America's fight for freedom. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn about the history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. In 1774, George Washington arrived in Philadelphia not as a legend, but as a Virginia planter and militia officer with hard-won frontier experience. At the First Continental Congress, Washington listened more than he spoke. His presence signaled unity, Southern colonies standing with New England. Unlike many delegates, Washington had seen war. The French and Indian War had taught him discipline, failure, and survival, qualities Congress quietly noticed. In 1775, Washington returned for the Second Continental Congress, now dressed in a military uniform, signaling he was ready to serve. With fighting underway in Massachusetts, Congress faced a dangerous choice: who would command a united colonial army? On June 15, 1775, Congress unanimously appointed Washington commander-in-chief, a Virginian chosen to unite all 13 colonies. Washington accepted without pay, asking only for expenses. From the start, he rejected personal power in service of the cause. Congress gave Washington authority, but Washington gave Congress legitimacy. Together, they transformed resistance into revolution,